Hello and welcome back. In the previous video you've created the message component that will render text messages, and you've created the render messages method in the chatbot component. What we need to do now is just connect all the dots. First we'll make an event query. We'll greet user that comes to the page. Remember default welcome intent from Dialogflow? Well, it can be invoked with event welcome. Let's do it. Okay, we want to greet the user when he or she comes to page. When can we do it? Well, after the chatbot component was rendered to the page. And how will we know it was rendered? Well, remember when we talked about life cycle of a component? In applications with many components, it is important to know when one component has been rendered. React calls that mounted. And it's important to know when it was removed, that is unmounted. We have special hooks methods that let us hook into time when this happens. We can add a method that will run some code when the component will mount. And we can add a method that will run some code when the component is removed, that is unmounted. What we need to do is call the def_event_query after the component is rendered. To do this we can use method component.mount. That is the method that will be called when component has been rendered to the DOM. So let's do it. I'll add component.mount to chatbot component, like this. And now all that I have to do is call this dot def_event_query and pass in the string welcome. And this should work. Why don't we check in the browser? If your server is not running, go to terminal and start it up. Mine is running. And yes, I see the greeting from the bot. Great. We've created a greeting from the bot in this video. Right now, if we type anything to the input, it'll be pretty much useless. What we need to do is add functionality that will take text from input when the user hits enter and send a text request to Dialogflow. You'll do that in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.